In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set animated Google profile picture. Before you start, make sure you have an animated GIF ready to use as your profile photo. For best results, use a square-shaped GIF, since profile pictures are displayed in a circle, and a square image helps keep your subject centered. Also, keep the file size reasonable, because very large GIFs can take longer to upload or may not animate as expected. Begin by opening Gmail in your web browser and going to your inbox. Once you are signed in, look to the top right area of the page for your current profile icon. This might be a photo, a colored circle with an initial, or a generic avatar. Click that profile icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, select the option to change your profile picture. From there, choose Upload from Device. This will open a file picker on your computer. Locate the GIF you want to use, select it, and confirm the upload. After the file loads, you will be taken to a preview screen. Here you can check how the GIF will look as your Google profile image. Pay attention to the crop, since Google profile photos are shown as a circle in most apps. If the important part of your image is too close to the edge, adjust it so the main subject stays centered. When you are happy with the preview, click Next. Google will then show you a final confirmation step. Click Save as Profile Picture to apply the change to your account. Once you save, give it a little time. Your profile image may update quickly in Gmail, but it can take a few minutes, or sometimes longer, to fully sync across other Google services. If you do not see the animation right away, refresh the page, or sign out and sign back in later. Also note that some places may display a still frame instead of the full animation, depending on the app or device. Finally, click your profile icon again to confirm your new animated profile picture is set. That covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.